Aquarius, hi! Welcome to Mr. Queen PH. At titignan natin ang energies coming to you ngayong January 16 to 31, 2025. So if you're interested in private readings, meron tayong link sa description at sa pinned comment. Pakicheck nyo na lang information kung paano mag-book for a private reading. And please subscribe to our channel to show your support. Like, share this video at mag-comment na rin kayo kung kayo ay naka-resonate. And thank you sa mga hindi nagsiskip ng ads. Thank you for your support. So let's see Aquarius. What is up? Aquarius, second half ng January. So you have the second house. You have Neptune in Taurus. Oh, okay. So second house is your finances, your sources of income. Neptune is about your creative talents, your skills, your imagination. And I think yung inyong mga ideas ngayon, especially pagdating sa creative ideas ninyo, you are finally making it happen, no? So this is about being practical about your dreams, your goals, especially pagdating sa sources of income mo, pera, no? This is also your values. So, maaring meron kang i-monetize na talent or skill set na, let's say, magaling ka sa writing. So, maaring yung writing abilities mo, gagamitin mo siya to earn money. Pwedeng side gig mo yan, sideline, ganyan, or extra income mo. Pwede rin content creation for some of you. So, you are going to share your knowledge, your skills, and more on creativity to eh. So, unlimited yung potentials mo rito for you to earn money and other sources of income. Let's see, what else? You have the Five of Cups, the King of Swords, the Death card, ooh, the King of Pentacles, and the Queen of Pentacles. Wow, okay. So, some of you, nagkaroon kasi kayo ng missed opportunities before na maaring ngayon hindi mo napapalagpasin ang opportunity na to at gagawa ka ng paraan para i-take advantage tong pagbabalik ng oportunidad sa'yo. So, this is going to be successful para sa iba sa inyo. Maaring related to sa business, pagpapalago ng negosyo, pagsisimula ng negosyo, or having multiple streams of income. Having King and Queen of Pentacles here, it means na meron kang katuwang dito. So, you have a partner. So, pwedeng romantic partner to na tumutulong rin sa negosyo or sa goal ninyo pagdating sa finances ninyo. Maari ring mahal sa buhay, like your parents, your kids. But this is more on the partnership, like romantic or business partnership para sa iba sa inyo. So, maaari kasing merong hindi nag-workout na plans before or may na-miss ka na opportunity and now you are taking back your power. So, talagang mas binibigyan mo ngayon ng pagkakataon na may magbago sa sitwasyon mo. Maaring yung iba sa inyo, parang meron kang takot noon na baka hindi mag-work kaya hindi mo siya itinuloy. And yung iba may pagsisisi kasi hindi mo nasimulan ng mas maaga. So ngayon, may pagkakataon ka na gawin na yon, ipagpatuloy na kasi malaki yung potential nito na baguhin ang buhay mo. And definitely, this will create a major change in your life, especially in your finances and in your career. You have Jupiter in Pisces in the 12th house. Jupiter is the planet of abundance, expansion. 12th house is your abilities na nakatago sa iyo eh. So maaring meron kang i-explore na mga abilities mo, mga talent, skill set mo na hindi mo pa na di-discover sa sarili mo. This is also about your connection to the divine. Maaring mas lalo kang lalakas yung iyong instinct, yung iyong intuition. Some of you are spiritual practitioners, no? Na tumutulong para mag-guide sa iba using your gifts, using your talent in different forms of divination. You have Mercury in Virgo in the 6th house. So, pay attention to your health. So, yung iba sa inyo, kung kayo ay medyo na paano, yung alam nyo na merong bawal sa inyo, tapos you're still taking it, no? Bawal na pagkain, bawal na na activities for you na makakaapekto sa health mo. So, pay attention to your health. And then, some of you, maaring meron kayong mga enemies sa workplace, or sa inyong career or sa business. So, meron ditong mga kakumpetensya, no? Na maaring merong hindi magandang intentions towards you. So, protect your energies as well. You also have Jupiter. You have Saturn in Sagittarius in the 9th house. So, maaring yung iba sa inyo, kung meron kayong plans to travel ngayong second half ng January, pwedeng may delays dito. Isipin nyo lang na itong delays na to are protection. So, just in case magkaroon ng delays. But, it doesn't mean na hindi na siya matutuloy. You have Saturn in Virgo in the 6th house. Oh, okay. Pag-isipang maigi ang mga papasuking mga, let's say, invitations ng ibang tao, especially if this is related to money, no? Kung may investment, or yung iba sa inyo, you have to pay attention rin talaga sa kalusugan. Oo. Kasi mukhang merong minsan kasi yung ating disiplina sa sarili, no? Minsan nawawalan tayo ng disiplina na parang even if, parang okay lang tayo, minsan isipin natin, wala yan, hindi yan, makaka-apekto, pero, gagawin mo pa rin kung ano yung bawal sa'yo. So, be careful with that kasi pwedeng unexpected na maapektuhan yung kalusugan mo. So, para dun sa may mga inaayos na kalusugan ngayon, related sa health ninyo, be more cautious, okay? You have justice, you have romance, and prosperity. Wow, ayan, no? This is about abundance. So, abundance are coming into you. Kung ikaw ay nagtrabaho, kung ikaw ay nag-effort sa career, sa business mo, ano man yung sources of income mo, rest assured that you will gain rewards. Makakakuha ka ng rewards dyan. And then, justice is about bringing balance into your life. Kumbaga, hindi lang sa isang bagay ka magfo-focus, but also dun sa iba pang importante rin sa'yo. Para, kumbaga, spread out yung energy mo sa mga importanteng bagay sa buhay mo. This is also balance in your time and energy. Balanced diet, ayan. Also, sa relationship, maaring you are starting a new relationship for some of you. Be careful lang kasi pwedeng meron ka pang kailangang malaman or matuklasan sa person na to bago ka tuluyang completely magtiwala sa kanya. So, get to know your person first, okay? So, money, career, finances. You have feast. So, meron ditong celebration. Meron ka isa-celebrate related sa finances mo. This makes sense with prosperity. So, ano man yung sources of income mo, pinagkakakitaan mo ngayon, maganda yung pasok ng pera, and this is going to bring you stability sa finances mo. So, meron ka rin isa-celebrate, whether maliit na bagay, malaking bagay, so isa-celebrate mo yan. Yung iba sa inyo, exciting new beginnings when it comes to your career, business, and very, ka ngayon, excited sa mga gagawin mo. The sun is also about enlightenment, positivity, optimism. So, maganda yung simula nito. Ikaw ay may bagong negosyo, business, career na susubukan. So, this is a new opportunity for you to grow, to learn, and create more money. So, sa relationship, may attraction, may potential. So, some of you may be starting a relationship. Kung kayo single, maaring the person na gusto mo, gusto ka rin, diba? So, very positive yung ganong energy. You have the moon and the Queen of Wands. So, maaring meron ditong mag-open up, no? Sa parang magsasabi ng feelings niya towards you. Ito yung matagal na niyang nararamdaman para sa'yo. So, pwedeng ikaw ay mabibigla sa person na to na meron pala siyang interest. So, uncover the DT within. So, yung iba sa inyo, you will discover your abilities, your talents, your skills na hindi mo inaasahan or hindi mo inaakala na kaya mo pala. So, keep on discovering yourself kasi marami ka pang potentials, no, to grow your finances, to be in the path na gusto mong tahakin. Okay? So, that is your reading, Aquarius. Thank you so much. See you again.